Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you one Japanese secret to looking years younger and an anti-aging remedy that will help you rejuvenate, make your skin glow and make your skin stay pop, beautiful and flawless. Okay, this anti-aging or Japanese secret is going to actually keep you looking young and keep you looking flawless. Okay guys, so this I have here is yogurt and this I have here is milk. Now the two of them actually contains a lactic acid, which helps so much for the skin. It helps to rejuvenate and make your skin plump up, and it also helps to reduce fine lines and reduce the signs of aging, and equally help to make you look younger than your age, literally. So I'm also going to be putting 2 tablespoons of milk into this yogurt. Now milk actually helps you glow. It makes your skin look flawless. It makes your skin look really smooth, supple and shiny. And I'm equally going to be needing to use bicarbonate of soda. Okay guys, so bicarbonate of soda helps so much in scrubbing out dead skin cells on your skin, leaving your skin rejuvenated, leaving your skin tighter, leaving your skin younger, and equally leaving your skin fresher. Okay, so it's going to remove all of the blackheads and whiteheads, and it's equally going to plump up your skin basically. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now is that I'm going to be mixing this all up, and this is how it's gonna be looking like. Yeah. Okay guys, so the very final ingredient and effective ingredient for this is sugar. Now the smaller granular particles of the sugar helps to scrub out dead skin cells, and it helps to rejuvenate the skin. It helps to make your skin tighter because it removes dead skin in your pores, and by so doing your skin or your pores is going to breathe again, and your skin is going to be looking really young. So we're going to be putting 2 tablespoons of sugar into this, and then we're going to mix this a whole lot and mix this really well. Okay, so this is one great Japanese secret that makes them stay years younger. Guys, I'm gonna be applying this on my face, so keep on watching while I apply this onto my face. Okay guys, so like you want that secret, this is the secret to looking younger. Guys, this is an amazing ingredient that will blow up your skin like mad. Okay, so what you have to do first of all, before you apply this treatment, you have to dip your hands into water, and then you would have to wet your face. You have to wet your face. Now the reason why you have to wet your face is so that the ingredient could get into your skin, you know, moisturize your skin and actually remove that ageness. Okay, so you're going to be using a brush, and I'm going to be using this brush to pack this goodness onto my skin. So I'm actually looking this way because I have a reflector here, a mirror that is helping me to see what I am doing on my face. Okay guys, so after applying this onto your face, what you have to do first of all is to wait for a little while, you know, for this treatment to get into your skin. And second of all, you would have to scrub, massage. Like, the skin actually needs a whole lot of massage, okay? So you would have to massage this a whole lot. Oh, this is itching me. Yeah, okay, so do is to massage in a circular motion, just like this. Okay, so you gently give this a whole lot of massage, because massage is the key to a healthy and a younger skin, okay? Alright guys, so after which you have massaged this, just like this, you massage this area really well. Then you would have to hold on for a little while. But for this particular treatment, if you want to store it, you can store it for a number of days, at least for 4 days or so. But it has to be stored into the refrigerator so that it can go, because there is no preservative, okay, or any chemical. So if you don't store it inside the fridge, it's gonna go bad, okay? You have to apply this for like 3 to 4 times in a week for an effective pageless result, okay? This is very, very effective. This is natural. This is going to give you that glow, that younger skin, that flawless skin, okay? So after which you'll notice that it's going to get tighter. Your skin is going to get tighter, and then you are going to be looking really beautiful, okay? And then what you do next is that you're going to need a hot towel to clean this all off, okay? So I'm going to be cleaning mine, yeah, right now, just to show you. So you need a hot towel to clean your face. After which you've cleaned this treatment off your face, then you clean your whole face with hot towel. Okay guys, so you can see how this is an amazing ingredient. It helps so much for the skin, yeah. After which you've cleaned it, you would have to also wash it off, okay, because the ingredient is going to be left on your skin, okay. This is a way of just removing the ingredients off your skin at first, okay. So do this for 4 times in a week and at least 1 month to look very, very young. Okay guys, so I will see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see ya. Bye.